Hi guys, welcome to Feifei's Chinese Self-Study Room. Here we are learning Phase 1 of Preschool Class Topic 3, 部首与查字法, Radicals and Radical Lookup Method. From this lesson onwards, we will officially start learning the radicals of Chinese characters. Earlier, we have mastered the pronunciation of Chinese characters with pinyin annotation. But for characters without pinyin annotations, how can we independently recognize and learn new characters with the help of a dictionary? The answer is to look up characters by radicals. A dictionary is a reference book for us to recognize and learn a language. So learning to use a dictionary to look up Chinese characters is very important. In this lesson, we will focus on how to look up characters by radicals. It should be noted that our course takes the 6th edition of Modern Chinese Word Dictionary as the standard. Now, let's take this character as an example to look up its pronunciation by radical. We need to know which part is the radical of this character. Here, I will directly tell you that its radical is the upper part, called 宝盖头 radical. Based on what we learned in Topic 2, Strokes and Calligraphy, we know that this radical, the red part, has 3 strokes, and the non-radical part, the black part, also has 3 strokes. After making this basic judgment, first, we find the radical character index before the main text of the dictionary. This section includes the radical list and the character index. Step 2. Locate radicals with 3 strokes in the radical list, here. And find the 宝盖头 radical, here. Upon checking, the serial number of this radical is 48, and its page number in the character index part is page 30. Step 3. Find this radical on page 30 of the character index part, and look for characters with 3 non-radical strokes. Here it shows 2至4画, 2 to 4 strokes. After finding the target character here, we see that it is on page 1730 of the main text. Finally, turn to page 1730 of the main text and find the target character. From the annotation, we can see that the pronunciation of the target character is 字. Okay. In this lesson, we learned how to independently recognize and learn Chinese characters through the radical lookup method with an example. The key and different part is being able to identify the radical of a Chinese character. Fortunately, the number of radicals in Chinese is limited, and we can look up most common characters by mastering common radicals. Therefore, starting from the next lesson, we will learn common Chinese radicals, and each radical will be paired with 3 or 4 common characters to learn together. 同学们, see you next lesson.